29th, 1919, the world paused. Not for war, nor for peace, but for a shadow, a total solar eclipse. Across the Atlantic, 2 British expeditions stood ready. One in Principe, a remote island off the coast of West Africa. The other in Sobral, Brazil. Their mission, to photograph the stars during the brief darkness and test a bold theory, proposed by a little-known German physicist named Albert Einstein. Just 4 years earlier, in 1915, Einstein had published his general theory of relativity, a revolutionary idea that redefined gravity not as a force, but as the warping of space and time by mass. It was elegant, daring, and utterly unproven. But this eclipse, it offered the perfect opportunity. Einstein had predicted that the sun's immense gravity would bend the light from distant stars, causing them to appear out of place in the sky. If starlight shifted even slightly, it would be a triumph of theory over centuries of Newtonian thinking. Sir Arthur Eddington, a British astronomer and a pacifist, led the effort. In a time still reeling from the Great War, a British scientist testing a German theory was not just rare, it was radical. As the moon slid across the face of the sun, the sky darkened. Cameras clicked, plates were exposed, and for a fleeting moment, starlight slipped through the cosmos, skimming past the sun. Months later, back in England, the results were analyzed. The light had bent. Einstein was right. On November 7, 1919, newspapers across the world echoed the verdict. Revolution in science. Einstein's theory triumphs. Lights all askew in the heavens. Overnight, Albert Einstein became a household name. Not just a physicist, but a symbol of genius. But beyond the headlines, the impact was profound. The cosmos had spoken. The universe, it turned out, was not fixed and rigid, but flexible, dynamic, alive. It was a moment when ideas triumphed over borders, when science defied conflict, and when a single eclipse cast light on the mysteries of space-time. And so, on that quiet May afternoon, in the shadow of the sun, modern physics was born. If stories like this ignite your curiosity, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Here at your Daily Flix, we bring the past to life, one extraordinary day at a time. See you on the next.